Welcome everybody, thanks for checking in. This is RP3 Tech Reviews, and I'm here with my unboxing of the Galaxy S9 Plus. A little late, but it's better late than never. Now, let me go ahead and get this thing unboxed for you, and let's go. SIM card injector. Welcome to the Samsung S9 starting guide. And you got the different languages, tell you how to transfer your apps and everything, and information from one phone to another. Pretty cool. Put that to the side. Adaptive fast charging, type A to type C adapter, type A to type C charging cable, headphones tuned by AKG, and extra earbud tips. Coral Blue, decide to join the Coral Blue gang. Undo and an undo. But there it is, fingerprint magnet. But this phone is on point. I didn't think I would like this Coral Blue, but mostly everything I got are black phones, but this will do. I like this. It's not as blue per se as the last Coral Blue one, but it is nice. I do like the fact that you got a completely black clean look on the front with the panel and this tiny bezels. Let's power this baby on. On the left side, you got the volume rocker up and down, Bixby. On the left side, you have the power button. On top, you have where your SIM card will go and your micro SD card. Up to 400 gigabytes of storage can be added. On the bottom, you got the reliable 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, USB Type-C opening, a microphone hole, bottom firing speaker. There's also a speaker in the earpiece. But real quick, the thing about the star of this phone is all about internal changes. So you're gonna get, the camera is a much improved situation here. You got the f1.5 aperture mode. You know, when it's dark, the lens open up to a 1.5 mode to pull in more light for a bright and clear photo. During daylight, you know, the lens shift to a f2.4 aperture mode, you know, to help your picture come out nice and sharp. This phone is supposed to really shine in low light situations. Now, that doesn't mean complete darkness. That would be unfair to the actual camera. But if you provide any kind of decent lighting, this camera should be able to adjust and come through with some boss-like pictures. Now, from a size standpoint, I have here next to is the S8 Plus. Now, I don't know if it's a little slight, it seems like it's a mil of height difference. I really feel like the S8 Plus is just a tiny, literally unnoticeable, unless you have them together, slightly taller phone. From a width standpoint, they seem to be about the same. From the back, you see the difference with the cameras. But for the most part, the screen, unless you have them together, is a lot better on the 9 Plus. Bezels are smaller on the 9 Plus. Overall, it's a nice change. I like it. It's a slight change. This is more of an internal change. But what I will say, if you have a S8 Plus, unless you are a hardcore techie, to me, it's not worth the change. Maybe later on in the year, you might get a deal that's so hard to turn down that you may want to get this phone. Let's check how it is against the 10. Way smaller device. The iPhone 10 literally can fit inside of the S9. From a thickness standpoint, from my opinion, I think the 10 is just a couple. It's just the build of the 10, which makes it maybe feel a little thicker. But I think it is just a little bit more thicker than the 9 Plus. But again, like I say, if you got an 8 Plus, you may want to wait down the road. Like I said, unless they offer you some deals, or depending on who your carrier is you may not want to upgrade it. But if you have something older or a phone that you think is not relevant right now, then and you're interested in this, then go for it. Other than that, that's my boxing of the S9 Plus. Please stick around and stay tuned to my channel. I will have a lot more coverage on this. Other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.